The Broadway Hotel in Philipsburg, Montana. Oh my gosh. Here I am in Philipsburg, Montana. Downtown. This is like an old country place for sure. We're gonna go walk around. We're gonna check things out. I have my handy dandy camera person right now, which is really good because I'm practicing talking on my video vlogs. So let's go. I'm all bundled up. What's this downstairs? This part of the hotel?
No, it's a brewery.
Okay, so get that side. TV center. Drummond, 27 miles that way. Right there. And if you wanted to, maybe just push number 1. I need to move to Montana as soon as possible. You want to go to the bar and have a beer? JK. We don't drink anymore. Oh, there's the Sweet Palace. ChatGPT recommended this place. Look, that's me. I'm a fine gem. I think that's it. I think that's an elk coming. I think that's an elk. Look, it's an elk. My bad, it's a deer. Oh my gosh, the truck's gonna kill him for, oh my goodness. Yeah, I need to get myself a shirt here for sure. I'm gonna be that person.
It's chilly out.
It really is. This isn't my face oil, but they have some good stuff here. Very beautiful. Had that bubble bath, and next, I think I'm gonna go get some eyes. See how red my face is from the hot bath. As I've mentioned before, I love RV life, I love van life, I love all that, Nomad. But everyone likes what I call real shower. Okay. Look at this though. Look how cute. Little washcloth, little soap, earplugs, Q-tips, cotton balls. So cute. And they give you this body lotion, green tea stuff. Good stuff. And then of course, my hair treatment stuff.